Okay, so the general strategy with the door is to have one or two people hold it kind of upright in position. Have a helper get the top bolt started. Once the top bolt's started, you can take a little weight off it. Get one of the bottom bolts started. And you can take your time to get the other ones all going. You just want to be careful not to scratch anything. And the bolts are countersunk so that as long as they start in the threads nice, as you snug them up, they will self-align everything. And sometimes a second person can be helpful, or some kind of platform at exactly the right height. And that's it.